Veronica, stop digging holes! Look at all that. Veronica's making her presence known. If you don't know who Veronica is, she is the carpenter bee that lives right here. She's a brat. We don't mess with her much. You know what? I think I might have to put my hat back on. I think I've made them mad with being out here so much the past couple days. Oh, it's so dirty. My cats have been laying on it. Now they can't see me. I'm not going to force it today. At least you got to see Veronica sprinkle me with sawdust. Normally on the days that I refill their feeders, they're a little standoffish. Just testing it out. Some days they love me and some days they wish that I would leave their presence very quickly.